Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's Mandala gently elevates your consciousness beyond thought, beyond form, beyond your identity into pure awareness. As this Mandala unfolds, there is nothing to do, nothing to achieve, only a soft remembering of the vastness you already are. Sit comfortably and allow the body to be supported. Let the spine rise naturally without any effort. Close your eyes gently or keep them softly resting on the mandala. Begin by noticing the breath, not changing it, just observing. Breath comes in and goes out on its own. Now, slowly bring your awareness to the crown of your head, the very top of your being. There is no need to imagine anything strongly, but just notice the space there. Now, gently imagine a soft beam of white light beginning to rise upward from your crown. The light is not forceful, it does not pull, it simply invites. With every breath, this beam lifts your awareness slightly upward, not leaving your body, but expanding beyond its usual boundaries. You begin to feel lighter, more spacious, and less dense. The body remains here, but awareness feels vast. Thoughts begin to slow as if they are losing importance. They may still appear, but they no longer hold any weight. Identity softens, labels loosen. The idea of me becomes quiet. What remains is presence. Now imagine this white light widening, not just a beam, but a field of awareness. You are not climbing towards something. You are unfolding into what already exists. Now imagine your awareness is rising like morning mist, slowly, naturally, and effortlessly. Mist does not struggle to rise, it simply responds to warmth. Awareness responds to stillness in the same way. You feel yourself becoming more transparent, less solid. The edges of the body feel softer. The boundary between you and space becomes subtle, almost unnoticeable. Now rest here. There is no center, there is no direction, there is only being aware. You are not observing awareness, you are the awareness. Notice how clarity feels like. Not sharp, not analytical, but calm, vast, self evident. This clarity does not explain, it simply knows. Now imagine this elevated awareness gently descending, not collapsing but integrating. It flows through your crown, through your body, through your mind. Everything becomes lighter. Thoughts, sensations, and emotions. Nothing is rejected. Nothing is grasped. Everything is included within a large field of consciousness. As this mandala begins to unfold, allow yourself to rest as this open presence. No need to focus, no need to visualize. Silence is enough. If the mind wanders, gently return to the sense of spaciousness above and around you. If sensations arise, let them float within awareness. You are not inside your experience. Experience is within you. Rest here. I'm going to give you a few affirmations. You can either repeat them out loud or mentally. My consciousness expands effortlessly. My consciousness expands effortlessly. I perceive life from higher awareness. I perceive life from higher awareness. I am aligned with universal intelligence. I am aligned with universal intelligence. Clarity flows naturally through my being. Clarity flows naturally through my being. I rest in awakened presence. I rest in awakened presence. Begin to notice your breath again without leaving this awareness. Carry this elevated awareness with you, not as a technique, but as a gentle remembering. If you feel lighter and clearer, share your experience in the comments. Clarity expands when it is shared.